guys and welcome to another video. This is Liakouras Moments, and today guys I decided to make a small unboxing of this product here. This is a rechargeable batteries for Xbox controller. So my batteries actually die out. You can see here I have the Duracell one. It died out actually for I have them here for 3 months. I wasn't playing like a lot, but anyway, this can keep you for a lot, but I decided to try the rechargeable ones from this company. It's called Stealth. They have also a website named stealthgaming.net. They usually make charging docks for Xbox controller, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch and so on for consoles, and also they have gaming headset as I saw on their website. So here I have the Stealth TWIN Rechargeable Battery Pack. This battery pack contains of 2 packs of batteries, and as it says here, this can last for 60 hours of gameplay. Very interesting, and also it's rechargeable, so you don't need to throw the batteries. You just put it here on the dock, you charge it and you use it again. And here on the top it says actually it's for Xbox Series X controller, but it also there's a message here that says that it also works with Xbox One wireless controller. So it's compatible with your Xbox One controller and also the newest controllers, the Xbox XS controllers that now they are out there in the market. Alright, so let's unbox it to see what's inside. Let me take my pinky knife here. Okay, I didn't manage to open it very well here. And let's open the box. So everything comes here inside. Okay, box empty. So we have some information here. Okay, manual, how to do everything, how to charge to play. Very good. Very nice cable. I really like the cable. And this, all right, very nice. It actually feels very good. And this is the batteries. Okay, battery 1, battery 2, and the 2 batteries here. Charging cable. Nice. I really like the boxing, the charging box here. Very nice. So I have the charging box and the 2 batteries. So I suppose we can even put it on my laptop here to charge it on a USB port. So let me check that. Yep, you can see the LED here. So we can put the batteries. So I'm gonna put the battery first. You can see here it's the first battery is charging now. Put it like this. And you can see also very nice LED charging indicators here. So right now it's charging. Very cool. You can close it and they're charging here. And it's very nice box. You can have it near to your office. It's very cool. Before using the batteries, I left them to charge. For fully charged, it made around 1 hour and a half, the first battery, as the second I didn't put it correctly. So let's try the first battery with our Xbox controller. I put the battery in the controller, very easy, and opened the power button to see, and it's opened. I left the other battery to fully charge, and let's try this one with some games. I tried out with some simple racing games and everything seems to work normally. Okay, I'm just a bad driver. After a while the other battery was charged as well, and we have the green notification on the box. At the end I really prefer the rechargeable batteries as I have 2 packs and I can replace them if one of them die. and I don't need to go to the store every time my batteries finish and buy new ones and replace them. So I believe it's a very good option, and if you're playing a lot of games, you'll save a lot of money in the long run and also the planet as well. After a week using the first battery with the Xbox controller, it just dropped to 85%. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and for further updates you can subscribe and leave a like, and we're gonna talk in the next video.